Making money online in 2026 is an appealing concept for many seeking financial independence, flexibility, and the opportunity to work from anywhere in the world. This digital era presents a plethora of options where someone can start with little to no initial investment. It leverages the internet's accessibility and the countless platforms available to anyone with a computer or smartphone. The importance of understanding this landscape cannot be overstated. In a job market that's constantly evolving, learning how to earn money online not only secures an alternative stream of income, but also equips individuals with skills that are becoming increasingly valuable. Among the ways to make money online, some popular options include content creation, affiliate marketing, freelancing, and online courses. Content creation, for instance, can take the form of blogging, YouTube videos, or podcasting, where creators engage audiences while monetizing through advertising, sponsorships, and merchandise. Take, for example, successful individuals like Emma Chamberlain, who have revolutionized YouTube with authentic content and gathered lucrative brand deals as a result. Another example is blogging. Many individuals monetize their passion and expertise through written content, supported by affiliate marketing links, ads, or selling digital products. Freelancing platforms such as Upwork and Fiverr offer opportunities to earn by providing services like graphic design, writing, or programming. A graphic designer starting on these platforms can gradually build a client base and increase their rates based on their growing portfolio and positive reviews. Moreover, the trend of companies opting for remote workers continues to rise, offering an endless market for freelancers to tap into. Starting with small gigs can lead to substantial earnings as one hones their skills and receives client feedback. However, entering the online money-making sphere isn't without challenges. The competition is fierce, requiring persistence and the constant upgrading of skills. Some critics argue that it's easy to be swept away by the allure of instant success stories, often overlooking the dedication and strategic planning required. Additionally, the vast array of choices can be overwhelming for beginners. It's crucial to focus on a specific niche, develop expertise, and grow a loyal audience or client base. Another potential challenge is maintaining work-life balance, as the flexible hours offered by online work can often blur boundaries, leading to burnout if not managed well. Tying this back to broader trends in 2026, making money online aligns with the gig economy's growth and the increasing entrepreneurial spirit. It is part of a larger movement where the traditional 9-to-5 job model is being continuously challenged by digital innovation. Understanding these dynamics offers not just an income source, but an opportunity to be part of a revolutionary shift in how people view work and career. Exploring viable online revenue streams with no upfront investment can be both exciting and challenging. As we dive into 2026, the digital landscape continually evolves, presenting a plethora of opportunities for those who are resourceful and willing to put in the effort. Making money online without sinking a dime may seem daunting, but it's entirely feasible with the right approach. One prominent avenue is affiliate marketing. This strategy involves promoting products or services offered by other companies and earning a commission for each sale made through your referral. There are numerous platforms, like Amazon Associates or ClickBank, that allow beginners to start without any initial cost. By leveraging social media channels, personal blogs, or even YouTube, aspiring affiliates can create compelling content that attracts audiences. This method not only generates income, but also hones skills in marketing and content creation. Another lucrative avenue is freelancing. Platforms such as Fiverr and Upwork serve as marketplaces where individuals can offer their skills in various domains, from writing and graphic design to programming and virtual assistance. With zero sign-up fees, these platforms provide an excellent starting point for building a portfolio. As evidence of its viability, consider the thousands of users worldwide on these platforms currently making substantial income without initial financial input. The key is to showcase your expertise and cultivate positive client relationships for continued success. Online courses and digital content creation offer yet another promising path. Websites like Teachable or Udemy allow individuals to monetize their knowledge by creating courses. With tools as simple as a smartphone and free editing software, it's possible to develop valuable educational content. A compelling example is the rise of independent educators who have turned niche expertise into substantial revenue, tapping into a global audience eager to learn new skills. While these streams present great potential, challenges do exist. For instance, affiliate marketing requires skillful promotion to stand out in a saturated market. Freelancers may struggle initially with establishing credibility and creating engaging courses. Demands a blend of creativity, expertise, and an understanding of market needs. It's crucial to acknowledge that these zero-investment methods are interlinked with other online earning strategies, such as leveraging free tools for SEO optimization or social media growth. By mixing techniques and continuously learning, one can enhance income generation capabilities. In conclusion, the digital era of 2026 offers myriad ways to earn online without initial capital. By exploring and combining these revenue streams, especially those aligning with one's skills and passions, beginners can build sustainable online careers, reshaping financial futures without breaking the bank up front. In 2026, the vast array of free online tools and resources available to beginners is more impressive than ever, offering incredible opportunities for those looking to make money online without any upfront investment. At its core, understanding these tools is about recognizing their potential to streamline processes, enhance productivity, and provide platforms for creativity and sales, all at no cost. These tools are significant because the main creates online entrepreneurship, allowing anyone with an internet connection to explore opportunities previously gated behind financial barriers. Take, for example, platforms like Canva. This free graphic design tool enables users, even those with no design experience, to create stunning visuals for social media, marketing, and personal branding. By offering templates and an intuitive interface, Canva empowers individuals to produce professional quality content, which can be sold as a service or used to enhance personal brands that attract income streams such as affiliate marketing or sponsored posts. Another powerful resource is Google Workspace, incorporating apps like Google Docs and Google Sheets. These tools offer collaborative capabilities to create documents, spreadsheets, and presentations, serving indispensable roles for freelancers, remote workers, and small virtual businesses. With the ability to share and co-edit, as well as access from any device, these tools facilitate efficient workflow management and project execution without the need for expensive software suites. However, while these free tools are advantageous, there are challenges to consider. One potential issue is the learning curve associated with mastering new software, which can initially be time-consuming. Additionally, while these tools offer no-cost versions, many have premium features locked behind paywalls that may tempt users into unnecessary spending. Therefore, it is crucial to understand one's actual needs and start small, fully exploring free offerings before considering any upgrades. Moreover, while these tools are extensive, the importance of staying informed about new releases and updates cannot be overstated. With rapid technological advancements, new tools and resources emerge regularly, offering improved functionalities that can significantly enhance strategic approaches to making money online. Integrating free tools with other aspects of the online earning landscape is essential. For instance, pairing design tools with social media platforms can exponentially increase reach and engagement, translating to higher income potential. Coupling project management apps with freelancing platforms like Upwork or Fiverr can improve efficiency and client satisfaction. In essence, developing a strategic approach to utilizing these free tools and resources can transform a zero-investment starting point into a lucrative online venture. Understanding and effectively leveraging these resources is the cornerstone of building a successful, financially rewarding enterprise in the digital world of 2026. Developing basic skills for online income generation is a fundamental step in creating a sustainable and lucrative path to making money online, even when starting with zero capital. The digital landscape offers numerous opportunities, but having a foundation of essential skills can distinguish you from the competition and enhance your chances of success. Basic skills such as digital literacy, effective communication, and self-discipline are crucial. Digital literacy involves understanding how to navigate online platforms, manage digital tools, and utilize software that may aid in various remote jobs. Effective communication, particularly in written form, is vital as it allows you to engage clients, negotiate terms, and collaborate efficiently, especially if you're freelancing. Self-discipline ensures you remain consistent and productive without the traditional office structure. The importance of these skills cannot be overstated, as they serve as the bedrock for more specialized proficiencies, such as coding or graphic design, that may come later. For instance, freelance writing and virtual assistants are two popular entry points into the online job market that require a solid grounding in these basic skills. With freelance writing, platforms like Medium or Fiverr can be used without initial investment to showcase your writing abilities and begin building a portfolio. Another real-world application is offering virtual assistant services on platforms like Upwork or Remote.co. Here, you can start offering time management or email management services, leveraging any existing experience you have. Both these paths can be initiated with minimal skills, but offer potential for significant income growth. Experts in online entrepreneurship often assert that these foundational skills offer resilience against rapid technological changes. They argue that while tech skills may evolve rapidly, the ability to adapt through strong digital literacy and communication remains constant. However, a potential challenge is the oversaturation of entry-level online roles, making competition fierce. This can be mitigated by continuously enhancing your basic skills into more specialized ones, such as SEO writing or social media management. It is important to connect this foundational skill development to the broader context of online income generation. As you grow these capabilities, you pave the way for further specialized training, such as coding or graphic design, which could open doors to higher-paying opportunities. These skills are stepping stones leading to diversified online income streams, critical for long-term financial resilience. Thus, developing basic skills is not just about securing initial online jobs, but also preparing for a dynamic, evolving digital economy in the future. Follow and turn on notifications for daily side hustle gems. Need cash flowing today? Head straight to www.kill9to5.com.